DJ Jamix.
Greetings people, this is Hevc Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to go about editing videos that are H.265 based using wondershare Filmora. For those who've been editing videos or those who edit videos using wondershare Filmora, I'm sure at some point you have come across this error which says Hevc video codec missing. But before, I'm just going to show you that on my PC, the codec is installed right here. Hevc video extension from, this is already installed. But let me open my Filmora, and then let's say I want to edit this video. So I have to drag and drop it into Filmora, and then this error shows up. Okay, despite the fact that this extension is already installed on my machine, this can be frustrating, trust me. Okay, so basically this Hevc codec, what it does is it reads Ultra HD videos, you understand, so that they are editable in wondershare Filmora. So I don't know what caused this error, because as you can see, the codec is already installed and everything is there, but still Filmora is failing to pick that up. So this is how you can go about it. You're gonna need a software called wondershare uniconverter. The guys who made wondershare Filmora are the same guys who made the uniconverter. Okay, so we're gonna open wondershare uniconverter, right? And then we drag that file, the one that we intend to edit in Filmora, we just drag it right here, and then it's there. Okay, so if we click on this drop down arrow here, it will show us that it's going to be converted to the normal H.264. So what this means is that this video right here on the left, the one that we failed to import into Filmora, it's H.265 based. So we are just going to convert it to H.264 based so that it becomes editable in wondershare Filmora. Okay, and then we just press convert. You don't have to do anything else. You don't have to change any other settings. That's basically all you gotta do. Just as a reminder, if it's your first time to come to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share our videos, because that will be very much appreciated, and also it's gonna encourage us to produce more videos of the same type, you understand? Alright, so let's wait for you to finish the conversion, and then I'll come back.
DJ Jamix on the mix.
file conversion is complete. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on converted. All right, this is the file that we're converting. I'm just gonna click on this icon so that I open the file location. Here it is. This is the converted file. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna open my video editor, the wondershare Filmora. Okay, still I'm gonna try to drag and drop it into Filmora just like this, and there we are. No problem, no issues. Now you can go on to edit your video. Understand? Thank you guys for watching.